Time for another spin of the Wheel of Justice. We team up with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office each week to help get wanted fugitives off the streets. Joining us today, Melissa Bojeda with JSO. We have a capture. You guys took him into custody just yesterday.
Absolutely. We were going to feature him on the wheel, and instead he just got arrested. Florin Batiki, he was wanted for burglary and credit card theft. He was arrested in the 5100 block of Warsdale Court. This photo is from his 2013 arrest, but we're glad to say that he is behind bars.
All righty, let's go ahead and spin this wheel and see where it lands. Keep in mind, if you want to check out all these faces, they will be posted on news4jax.com a little later today. Also, if you see any of these suspects on the street, do not confront them yourself. That's the job of police, or Crime Stoppers will give you a number coming up. So let's talk about Mr. Dawson there.
Lewis Dawson, he's wanted for battery by strangulation. No bond, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 140 pounds, and 32 years old. Last known address is in the Regency area in the 32225 zip code in the 12,000 block of Meadow Sweet Lane. He knows he's wanted. Detectives have been trying to make contact with him. He's avoiding police. So anyone who knows the whereabouts of Lewis Dawson, please contact the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office or Crime Stoppers.
And that Crime Stoppers number is 866-845-TIPS. Melissa, thanks.
Thank you.